out.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
340.
Pull it kill switch once you get away from the stop.
Can you look around? There we go. It's a good one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Oh, he's got one with it. Get it in. Get it in. Get it in. Nice. Nice. Nice.
Nice, dude.
That's a good fish. Dude, he popped off. Drop shot. Fish number one. That's a nice one for here. Dude, there's fish under these docks. We gotta slow down and flip them. Like, there's fish under those docks. Look at those. What is it? Fish? Yep. Yeah, I think so. It's a largie. I told you they're under there. I seen him on Panoptics.
I don't know.
I think he's gonna go. He choked that thing.
Yeah, I was dead sticking because I was reeling them.
Yeah. Oh, pretty freaking close. Bummer. Fat largie was 13 7/8. Yeah. There we go. Good one. Good one. Nice and easy. Get him. Nice. Good job. Put it down. Good job. Good job. Get it. Yeah, I know. I will. Yeah, he's 15 1/4. Keep it loose. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dude, I almost speared the piss out of it. Did you see that?
I was just like worrying about like not breaking it off. Wow, I'm like having shaken a little bit.
Sailboat has fish. Maybe cast right up in the front corner. I didn't really get there. And in the back. I didn't cast in the back at all. There we go. He's little. Yeah. See, like that just shows you how meticulous you need to flip, dude. I flipped along the side of it, in the back, and then like right on the corner. Like it's got to hit him. See, buddy. What?
Like, I don't want to come back out of here out of the wind.
It's true.
Like, not have to deal with
I'm not expecting. Oh, yes. Good fish. Another follow with it. Take him easy. It's a nice one. Try not to pull him up like that. Sorry. That's a good one, dude. 4. Hell of a start. All right, so we're gonna move out of this marina now, guys, and go back to some of the beds that we started on and checked first thing in the morning. hoping those, some of those females will have pulled back up. And then if that doesn't work, we're gonna go run some other stuff up lake. We have a little bit more and just try to get number 5 in the box. You can see a lot more with a half. What a surprise if we just hooked a female and it's a 3.5. There we go. Oh, I don't know if he'll keep. No, he won't.
No.
Yikes. He won't keep. Yeah, he's 12.
Yeah.
That's sad. Well, we were hoping the female pulled up on that bed, but it was just the male. Might give it a few more casts or bounce over there just to see if she's on there.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go look at 1 or 2 of the other ones and then onward with our day. Alrighty folks, we have now moved to another little spot we found in practice and caught a few fish off of. We're really just looking to fill our limit here. It's a hot water discharge with a bunch of current like pushing through here. Kind of a cool little spot. And we caught them here in practice, a few. We caught like 1 short and 1 keeper and then got out of here. But there's bait here like all hours of the day, and I'm sure there's new fish moving in and out all day long. So we're gonna see if we can squeak out the number 5 and then maybe go look for a bigger bite. Maybe we just sit up here. There's more fish up here. You wanna sit up here or drag?
I'm down to sit up here.
There we go. Feels really tiny. Yeah, it's puny. Oh, no, it's not. Get the net. It just wasn't fighting. It's a keeper. It's like not bad. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, oh. Nice job. Nice job.
Is that a keeper?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Good job, dude.
Let's go.
Did you like that net where I
Yeah.
played tennis with him?
Trampoline! Whee!
Look at him go.
Let's double check, but this should be number 5. Worked out just like we were hoping.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, solid 14.5 incher. I'm gonna call him so we know he's gotta go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it is 11:55. We are doing at 3:40, so we have a nice and long day still. How long you want to sit here? Maybe another 20, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 12:15.
12:15, so we'll probably stay here for a little bit longer. And then I think the game plan, now that we got 5 and we have 2 big fish on beds, but we just don't know if they're gonna fire. So like now that we have 5, we can just gamble and sit on those. It's not like we need to quick fill out a limit first. So I think that's the plan this afternoon. And just hoping to get one of those real big ones to fire. We have one in the marina. That's probably between 3.5 and 4, I would say. And then we had one really big spot that wasn't super locked, but that thing was a giant. Biggin, dude. Biggin, 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 biggin. Biggin. Oh gosh. Like very large if this is a bass. I got her nice and loose. Good thing I just retied. Dude, there's no way this is a bass. I hope. It's gonna be very large. Those head shakes are enormous. I'm gonna let it go with us. Nope. No! No, it wasn't. Look, I snagged one.
Okay, perfect.
See? Yeah. I told you it wasn't a bass. My thumb's finished. Just lost a carp that I had snagged. Alright guys, we are posted up on this really big spot that we found. Can't even tell if she's here just because of the waves, so we're just kind of hoping, staying off of the waves, and just gonna flip in there for a good, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes. Maybe if we see a sign of her longer, just because if we catch this fish, it'll literally cull almost 3 pounds. Dude. I don't know, that felt really weird. It definitely could have been a rock, but it didn't feel like a rock. Okay guys, update for you. We slid up onto this bed because I got snagged on it. And sure enough, we looked down there and she's still there. She's been up here since Monday, so this is the 5th day she's up there. And now that we got confirmation that she's there, we will probably sit on this fish the entirety of the day It's 12:20 and we have until 3:40. I would guesstimate this fish to be between 4 and 5 pounds. It's enormous, and this would cull out very close to 3 whole pounds for us, which would be an enormous like thing on Lake Norman right now. So we're gonna sit here the rest of the day. We just decided that for sure after seeing that fish. So we're just gonna cycle baits, get comfy, and try to get this big girl to fire. There you go. We have to catch this fish. Who knows? She could have bit both of us. We both swung and thought it was a fish. Why is it moving us out for? Yo! Oh my gosh! Come here! Come here! Oh my gosh! Get her! Get her! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Yes! Thank you, Lord! Oh my gosh! I didn't even feel her eat. Dude, I can't believe that just happened.
That quick.
Biggest spot ever, baby. Alrighty, guys. I'm still in utter disbelief that all just went down. Yeah, it's just crazy. We found that fish on Monday and came back 5 days later in the tournament. Didn't throw at her all practice just because she was such a big one. We didn't want to mess around with it and mess up our odds of getting her to eat. And sure enough, got her on the old lizard, on the brush hog with a bait caster. Never thought that was actually going to work out, but what do you honestly think we have, 11 or 12?
Yeah, probably 11.
We have a 1.4, a 1.6,
And then a 2.5 and a
2.5. We got 5.2.
We should have at least 11.5. He's not very big. Oh, giant under there. Just swam out. Yeah, throw under there. Yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. Grab your rod. See him? Mm-hmm. Big one, dude. Throw it farther.
I thought he was coming at you.
Look at him spitting up all that stuff.
Oh my God.
Please, 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 please eat it. Oh. He might be actually. He's not a keeper, is he?
I don't think so.
Dude, that one was a nice one.
Yeah.
We should note that for tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Cool. I think that's all we needed to see out of this marina, hey? Fat little guy, too. He's been eating good as he choked up, coughed up a bunch of stuff. That would have been cool if you could have got that guy.
I know.
Well, that was kind of neat. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, so here's the damage. Got the big girl on the left right there. That's like one of the smaller ones. The smallest guy, good one, and the mediocre one. So we're thinking we'll probably have about 11.5. Gonna get them on out and get them up to the stage. She's gonna freak out. They're so healthy. There's Big Bertha. Wow. All right.
Mitchell Gunn and Kyle come on up from Grand Rapids, Michigan right there. Kyle is. He's got 5 in there today. Grand Valley State, those 5 today. You kept them alive and well. We appreciate that. Those live wells did good today. 11 pounds, 13 ounces, all the way to 20th spot. A great place to be in here today. Grand Valley State, Mitchell and Kyle. Great crowd out here. You guys can't see it on that side. I wish we could spin that camera around, but it is loaded back here on this whole water wake over here, all the way over to the ramp. Great crowd. Thanks for all those folks that come out here and watch it. Even those folks that just love to watch a good weigh-in.